is a 1947 Indian Chief that was restored by Indian Motoworks in Colorado. I think his name was Jeff Grigsby or Bigsby. He's one of the top, if not the top, Indian restoration company there was for a long time. He's no longer in business, and most of his bikes sold at the Mickham auction, I believe, for a lot of money. He restored this bike. It was in his collection of bikes. I don't know if he rode it personally or not, but it's in all his videos in the background if you look on YouTube. I've seen a lot of nice bikes. This is the nicest restored Indian I've ever owned. I work for a guy with a real heavy collection. He had some real high-end, expensive restored Chiefs, and this is like that, restored by big names who do really high-end AMCA style restorations. This bike is one of them. The paint, the fit, the finish, the hardware, the way the bike operates, it's just perfect. This is, I was going to keep it, but it's too nice for my shop. I'm afraid I'm going to screw it up. So, a couple prime kicks and fire right up there. Big difference between a normal amateur restoration and something like this. This is like it's museum quality. Absolutely gorgeous bike. I mean, listen to how nice that thing looks. Woo! You want a nice Indian Chief. Better than this. Would have cost you $35,000, $40,000 to buy this bike from him. What a machine. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Look at it, it doesn't even shake. What a bike. I can't believe I got all